So hello everyone, and welcome to our what is now becoming traditional end of year video, which is what, third year we've been running videos. So 2018, what a great year we've had, eh? Just look at all the exhibitions we've done. We had started the year well with the big show at Bognor, where as always we got a good response to our recycled layout. Something in May, probably one of our favourite shows that we've done for a while, really friendly group of people, and we'll mention in a bit, we're booked in there for next year. Bluebell, of course, with our build a layout in 2 days, which was quite an enterprise, and the gentleman that won it apparently was really chuffed to bits, and we had a wonderful exhibition, so much so we've got exciting developments for next year to talk about. And then the nice little local show at Pevensey in September, where we thoroughly enjoyed ourselves being a local show. And of course we've really got rolling with 3D printing this year, and our 009 range has become very popular. And to our surprise, our controller boxes, well, if anything, actually they're causing us a problem, because we've sold over 80, and that's a lot of printing, and we think we've got about probably another 80 in back orders to do. So sorry if you're one of those waiting for them, we are getting through them as quick as we can. So we set some goals for the year. We set a goal of 10,000 subs, and with a little help from our competition to win a free loco, we actually finished that by the end of November. So by the time you're watching this, we should have about 10,700 subs. And as always, a big thank you to all our subscribers and watchers, because without you, we don't have a channel. So one of the interesting things we've looked at this year, we never expected to inspire quite so many people. And somebody made a comment, which actually he pretty soon took off the comments list, saying that we did more harm than good for the hobby. So Douglas did a little exercise, and we went through and we found the comments from the people this year alone who said how much we've inspired them. So that Doug will put those on the screen now, which is interesting to look at. And that's something we never expected. To be honest, I didn't think anybody would ever be interested in what we do with model railways, because it's so different to what the mainstream media and hobby does. And yet all of you have been so supportive. We're working towards, you know, I guess this year 20,000 subs. And all the nice comments keep us going, especially those of you that have said how much we've inspired you. The people who've said that without us they would never have had a model railway. You know, and that's a wonderful thing. I'm a great believer that if you can help one person, something was worth doing. And we've certainly helped a lot more than one person. But to be fair, you guys have helped us, because it's you people watching, subscribing, commenting, and giving us feedback that keeps us going. We would make the videos without that response, because we enjoy making them. But it's wonderful that so many people enjoy them, and from all around the world. We've got people from all over, which is wonderful. So what about 2019? Well, it should be an exciting year. We're hoping to get 20,000 subs as a minimum by the end of the year. We've been told that once you get over 10,000 subs, it's a bit of a tipping point, and certainly that appears to be true. We're looking at least 1,000 subs a month at the moment, so 20,000 subs should be possible. We're taking Market Town, our compact round and round layout, which needs a little bit more work, but should be finished. But we're taking that to the Something show. Google them for details. And of course the really exciting thing is Bluebell in June, when we're hoping to run our own little side exhibition of budget model railways. We've got 2 or 3 people already booked in for that. A few of you we're just waiting for some information from, but if anybody else has got a model railway that meets our sort of criteria and would like to come and exhibit, we've still got time to fit 1 or 2 more people in, but you need to get hold of us quite quickly, please, so that we can get you involved in the planning. The 3D printing, well, we've got more plans really than we've got time to do, but you'll have already seen by the time this video comes out that we're now working on our 00 range with a rather special tramway steam locomotive and some short coaches. We've got a little diesel shunter we're working on as well, so expect some 00 ranges this year. In the back of my mind I still want to do N, but I think that may well be 2020 now before we get rare. So another exciting year ahead. Thanks again for watching and commenting and subscribing. Spread the word, please. Don't forget to share us. Don't forget to let other people know about what we do. And let's see how big we can make this whole budget model railway thing. I think it's wonderful that there's enough of us out there that don't care about fine scale modelling, 100% accuracy, or simply throwing huge amounts of money and time at it and then saying how clever we are. No, we're all clever because we do it on a shoestring. And most importantly, we all have fun. Whether we're just running a funny little old loco we didn't pay much money for, across a bit of track with some roofing felt as ballast, but we're having fun, aren't we, everyone? And that's what the hobby should be about. You forget a hobby is fun, it should be fun at your peril, I think. And I think that's a big mistake the trade has made. And let's keep the pressure on to people, to Hornby and Bachmann, to try and bring some more budget ranges out to give us more choice. And in the meantime, we'll carry on doing what we do, and please carry on doing what you do. And most importantly, let's all have fun. Thanks again for watching. Much appreciated, and a happy new year and all the best to all of you and yours for 2019. Hi, thanks for watching the video and for the nice comments. Click on the left for a previous video in this series, click on the right for another video you might enjoy, and please don't forget to click to subscribe, like, comment, etc. Thanks again.